Hi, I'm Nick Martin with Restoration Roofing, and today we're going to talk about the importance of choosing a roofer with an A+ rating with a Better Business Bureau. Your roof is undoubtedly the most expensive asset that you're going to put onto your house. So if you're going to have someone come out and work on it, make sure that it's someone who's going to do quality work and will stand behind their work in the time to come. The Better Business Bureau helps you make this decision through vetting companies through 13 different criteria, from time in business to response to customer complaints. It's important to note that 90% of all roofing companies will fail and be out of business within 2 years. Worst thing you could have happen is for someone to come out, work on your roof, 2-3 months later down the line you find an issue with the repair, and they're not there to either fix the repair or make it right. Through choosing an A+ rated business with the BBB, you know that you're going to have someone who's there to stand behind their work in the time to come. It's also interesting that of all the different construction industries, roofing actually has the most complaints. The Better Business Bureau ensures that if there are customer complaints, the customers are being responded to and taken care of before they can get an A+ rating. Restoration Roofing has an A+ rating and will continue to have an A+ rating. In order to score such a rating, they must score near perfect in all 13 of the categories, averaging 97 points or better out of 100. So please, if you have any roofing or gutter needs, give Restoration Roofing a call at 901-854-3402. Restoration Roofing, a roofer you can trust. Thank you.